Yes, the next lesson in the CorelDRAW topics. Today we're learning inserting barcodes, inserting and editing QR codes, right? So these are so very important. Sometimes, mostly nowadays, we use these barcodes, right? And these QR codes. So what are these? First, how to insert barcodes. So I'm taking new file. Right here, I want to give some number here. Suppose any number, it can be 13. So 9492061050. Sorry, you have to write the text file. Yeah, 9492061050, right? And suppose this is the number, phone number 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 9121. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So here can reduce this one. Now it can be 13 numbers, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, right? So for this I want to create the barcodes, right? So what you do, from menu bar come to edit menu. So there, here insert a barcode, right? Insert barcode. So there is a dialog box, barcode wizard is available, right? Here, see there, you can remove this. See, these are select one of the following industry standard of formats, right? So mostly that industry standard the formats we use in EAN 13, so 13 digit, right? So for 13 numbers it will create. Suppose here you can enter your number here. Yes, and 9492 061050 and 912, right? 912, right? And here enter 2 or more digits for a barcode add-on, right? Here give one more number. Here I am giving the 2. So here count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? And this is 8. So with these 13 numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and this is 13, right? And here these are the add-ins. So we have to give between 2 or 5 more digits, right? So add on. Suppose here the next one is click here, next. See, in this, if necessary, adjust the following industry standard properties to determine these values. Refer to guidelines for barcode. So for printer resolution, obviously I'm giving 300 and the units are in inches. Bar width reduction, so 1 pixels, and magnification scale is 100%. Bar height is 1. Wide to narrow ratio is in default settings. You can keep this, right? And then give a next. Suppose this is next, right? Here the options are available again. See, here it is showing. Suppose show add-on text. Suppose see, the add-on text, if you want, you can click on that, right? And suppose add-on text at the bottom, right? That add-on text, so here it is on top, it is showing, and here if you say, here it is coming to a bottom. If you don't want these add-ons, just you can remove that, right? Yeah, because this is our the barcode. And see, make this barcode human readable. That is very important. You should visible this. So you can say this add-on is, we are not showing anything because we don't want that actually. So uncheck these things, right? This is only, so finish. So this is your barcode, and with shift you can make it big size. Now you can see this 9492061050, 9492061050, right? And 912, right? 9 1 and 2. Suppose here this is my add-on, right? If you count this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, right? So 13 means actually it takes a 12, but the 8 is add-in. Suppose you can double click on that, you will observe here, see this, the enter 12 numeric digits. So up to here 9492061050, 91, actually 21 I added. So after 91, 8 it is automatically it is taking check digit, right? And here the values, suppose if you enter any value and say next, so already we gave that next, and suppose here I'm cancelling this. So this is, but this add-in is suppose not required, right? And suppose you have to convert this into a vector. So for that what you do, you keep this, or otherwise this you can select, you selected this one, right? You can save this in file and export. Suppose you are exporting, and that to desktop. Here the file name is Corel Presentation Exchange, right? Corel Presentation Exchange. So from this you can use the CMX Corel Presentation Exchange. So it is already in that, but here check selected only we selected only that barcode. You also have to give that option, selected only, right? And it should go on desktop, and here barcode, suppose barcode, I'm giving that name. Perfect. And now export. So now it is exported. If you find from a desktop, it is there on the name 2, right? So this is 2. Yeah, that is not 2 actually. I'll check this where it is saved actually. So from file again export. Yes, I'm giving other name otherwise. So I'm giving sample, right? Here I'll change. Yes, yeah, you first have to select this and file and export. Yeah, I'm giving sample MPLE sample, and go to desktop and export. Now it is exported, right? Yes, this is sample. You double click and open that. Now see, this is actually you made it, right? And this is now your the file. So that means what? The difference is what? See, if you choose this one, the lines bars, it is showing each one is divided into parts, right? Divided into parts. Yes. So now you can delete this simply. and now this is. Now what you do, you can select entire thing, right, and group objects. And suppose see here, if you give any the background, suppose this is my background, and fill with this color, and now see this white portion actually we don't want, right? So you can select this, right, and suppose if you want to delete, you can delete that, or otherwise Control Z you keep this aside and select this one, suppose this and this red, this and red with shift I am selecting, right, make it group objects, and now you select only this portion. So Control Z, this should not be move. We can lock this, suppose this is lock, and you select only this portion and right click and group objects, right, it is grouped. Suppose here there behind that you get from inside, right click and order, so in front of here, right, yes. Now this is your barcode. So this barcode you can scan, or otherwise you can use. So these are what creating barcodes. Here I am giving text, creating barcodes. Creating creating barcodes. Perfect, right? So this is, and the next one is suppose here I am creating in the next page QR codes. So in the same size file I am choosing, yes, the QR codes, yes, suppose here you can make it bigger, right? So now Control X and come to second page and Control V, right, for timing make it in a black, and creating QR codes, QR, suppose QR codes. So how to do that? Keep this side here, and now see, suppose here I'm using that the CorelDRAW X7, that old version. So we have to import some macros, right? Actually, if you observe here, insert QR code, it is not active, right? So already I imported that macros. That macros are available, the free macros from internet. You can download those macros, right? So I downloaded, this is the my macro pack. So this macro, unzip this, and after unzipping that collection, you can copy this, and from C, and suppose double click here, and from program files and CorelDRAW and CorelDRAW X7, and find here draw, from draw again GMS, here you have to paste. See, I already pasted, right? So if you don't have in your old version in CorelDRAW these macros, you have to download from the internet and you have to install them. Just now I explained the process. In that process you have to install. After that from tools, suppose here from tools, options, so there from workspace, from customization, from commands, you can, by searching this option, you can search your already downloaded macros are inserted into your commands, right? After that simply say OK. Suppose your macros are entered into your CorelDRAW. Now what we have to do after doing that, see from tools, observe here, from tools come to macros, and there is a macro manager. Already macro manager is open, so make it macro manager. Here in macro manager, so find your QR code. See here the different codes are there, right? This QR code, right? QR code inserter. So just double click on that. Yes, here the generator, QR code generator is available. So here you have to give your server, suppose server connection you are giving, or otherwise a Google. Suppose here www.ideasunlimited.com, otherwise www.arenaanimation.com. You can give your address, web address, right? And the server is suppose Google, right? And suppose here you can save it in a JPG or PNG, right? Suppose if you want to save this in PNG, see if you want QR code color, you can give that color option, or otherwise make it in default QR color, and here the QR background it is showing in a white, right? Here border margin 2 it is giving, the size pixel showing 300, right? And say create. Yes, see it is created now. Now you can close this and make it bit bigger size. See, this is your QR code, right? You can make behind any background, then you will understand this what is actually. So you can send it back by order. So send to back of layer. Yes, this is right. So you can lock this for time being, lock object, and this is yours. See, this is your actual QR code. So this you can add into your that mobile by using QR code scanners. You can add QR code scanners into Google Play Store. Then by using that QR code scanner, you can scan this. That is already, this is linked with your suppose a website, right? That web address is there already, we gave that. So then with QR code scanner you can scan it and you can insert, you can visit particularly that website in detailly. So these are using creating QR codes, right? And this is suppose, yeah, where is my this one? Yeah, here I'll write creating bar codes. creating barcodes. So make it bit bigger, and suppose it is in 36, change it to white, right? And this is in second page, creating QR codes, right? So these are the two topics I explained for today. So actually these are very easy, right? So you also try yourself, and then you will understand actually about this creating barcodes and that QR codes, right? So in the next day I'll explain other topics. You practice this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.